So now you're making a classic banana walnut loaf using oat flour. So for this, first we need to make a flax egg. We are going to add just enough water to cover the flax meal. So these are unroasted, unsalted flax seeds. I've just ground them into flour, and now we're going to make a flax egg. Flax egg is basically a replacement to any kind of dairy or any egg. So this will help us hold the ingredients together. So we're going to keep this aside for about 5 minutes. We are making our own oat flour. So I have rolled oats, which I'm going to flour. So in a jar, we're going to take our flour, and to this baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. So these are our dry ingredients. In another bowl, we are going to add our wet ingredients. So we have overripe bananas. We're just going to mash this. So once our bananas are mashed, we do not want to puree them, but just mash them, having some chunks of banana still. The coconut oil. Now we'll be adding our flax egg that looks like this. And the sugar. We'll just mix in everything. So once your sugar is well dissolved, add in the apple cider vinegar. It just gives a little acidity for rising. Add in your dry ingredients and cut and fold. Cut and fold. So we do not want to overmix, but just mix it only till all the dry ingredients have been well incorporated. And now we're going to add our walnuts. Just a mix. And now put this into your baking tray. Just level it as much as possible, and now just top it with some bananas. This goes into baking for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.